is up, guys and girls? I got no filter and a 3D printer. What could possibly go wrong? Today we are printing Asuma Sarutobi's trench knife from the anime series Naruto. To do so, we're going to be using the slicing program Kura, and now, there are plenty of videos on the workings of this fantastic program, so I'll just leave the link in the description. Now, if you're anything like my brother, my girlfriend, or my brother's girlfriend, you have absolutely no clue where Asuma Sarutobi is. So I let Wikipedia do that for you, and I'm not going to explain it. What you do need to know is that I will be printing this knife. I will be stabbing people with it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to stab anyone with it. The print time was about an hour and a half. It took about 14 meters of material. Alright guys, I'm kidding, it's only girls listening to this point, they're enthralled by my sexy voice, but it's getting pretty late and I'm kinda fat, so we're gonna go ahead and get this done as fast as possible. The print actually turned out pretty good, of course it did. I'm surprisingly competent and I've been doing it for years. Those little squares on the end of the blade are support material. It's basically extra material that the printer lays down to ensure overhangs aren't too big of a problem. To remove the support material, you can usually just peel it off. It's kind of like Velcro, and as long as you're patient, which if you made it this far into the video you are, you won't run into many problems. Though sometimes it's a little tougher to remove and you have to resort to chewing on the print. Be sure to keep a vacuum nearby, as this shit gets everywhere. In the carpet, in the keyboard, all over the cat, and if you're really bad you'll miss it completely and it'll stay on the print. As you can see, I did a great job as usual, and the only support material left are these little itty bitty bits that are close to the body of the print. It should be noted how awesome I am at this kind of thing. After you're done gawking at my cockiness, the best way to remove the remaining support material is with an exacto knife, or sandpaper, which I currently don't have. The best way to ensure you don't gouge the print is to hold the blade at a 90-degree angle to the print you're working on. As you will see, it easily handles most of the remaining material, and anything left is taken off with some good old-fashioned whittling. As you can see, the print looks great and my hands look fat. The material that was just removed from the print lays defeated while I inspect the print. Stabby, stabby, stabby. Punch, punch, punch. Now to swipe the material off the screen and go eat something. Wait. Shit, am I still recording?